Elon Musk has just opened the biggest gamble of 2026. We have never seen Elon Musk truly this serious or spend so aggressively on any product the way he is with the Optimus robot. Halting production and phasing out the Model S and Model X lines solely to convert the Fremont factory into a robot manufacturing facility fully proves that Tesla Bot Gen 3 will completely transform the company. We may truly forget that Tesla was once an electric vehicle manufacturer. Yeah, Tesla Bot Gen 3 will be produced directly in Fremont, and it will launch as early as this quarter.
We'll probably unveil Optimus 3 in a few months. And I think it's going to be quite surprising to people. It's an incredibly capable robot.
But Tesla Bot Gen 4 is the real spotlight, as Elon Musk has just confirmed on X that Optimus 4 will be built in Texas at much higher volume. This implies that Optimus Gen 3 is not yet the most advanced version, even though it will be the first commercial release of the humanoid robot. Recently, it was also confirmed that the Tesla Bot's battery will be supplied by LG Energy Solution. Optimus Gen 3 can operate for at least 7 hours before needing a recharge, and Elon Musk confidently emphasized that Optimus will be amazing for protecting and taking care of your elderly parents. Okay, there may still be a long road ahead before it can fully take on those responsibilities, but for now let's explore the latest information about Tesla Bot. Is it really worth the hype?
We're replacing the SX line in Fremont with a million unit per year line of Optimus. Now, because it is a completely new supply chain.
Elon Musk recently stated during an earnings call that Gen 3 will begin production at meaningful scale in Q4 of this year, and Tesla is shutting down the production lines for the Model S and Model X at the Fremont factory. Once those lines are removed, Tesla will immediately install the production line for Tesla Bot Gen 3. Of course, Tesla will not manufacture Optimus 2 or 2.5, as those were essentially just prototypes used for testing and development. Although Tesla does have some resources that can be shared from its electric vehicle business to Optimus, they are quite limited. Almost everything for Optimus is being built from scratch. You know, Tesla is very good at making batteries, and they have massive battery resources for EVs, so many of us assumed they could produce batteries for Optimus themselves. However, that turns out not to be the case. Optimus's battery has been confirmed to be supplied by LG Energy Solution. LG's batteries appear to be higher quality than those from many other suppliers. They offer ternary batteries, a type of NCM battery that provides higher energy density than the LFP batteries used by Chinese competitors. This allows more energy to be stored in a smaller, lighter package. You may not realize this, but the reality is that humanoid robots require enormous amounts of power for dozens of joints and AI computation, while having very limited space to house batteries. This makes high energy density battery cells absolutely critical. A robot must carry its own power source while walking, maintaining balance, and performing precise hand movements. Every additional gram of weight increases the energy consumption of the joint motors, creating a vicious cycle in which heavier batteries require more energy to move, causing them to drain faster. Yeah, the launch of Optimus 4 and Optimus 5 was actually mentioned by Elon Musk as early as last year.
We'll do Optimus 4, that'll be, 10 million units. Optimus 5, maybe 50 to 100 million units. I mean, it's really pretty nutty.
Elon Musk plans to roll out Optimus Gen 4 at a volume of around 10 million units, while Gen 5 could reach as many as 100 million units. Of course, these claims naturally invite skepticism, especially since Optimus Gen 3 has not even been launched yet.
I'm confident that we'll get to 1 million units a year of in Fremont of Optimus 3. And this Optimus really will be a general-purpose robot that can learn by observing human behavior. So you can demonstrate a task, or literally verbally describe a task, or show it a task, even show it a video, and it will be able to do that task. So it's going to be a very capable robot.
In the recent earnings call, Elon Musk also outlined the remarkable capabilities and design of Optimus Gen 3. The Tesla CEO said he is fully confident in achieving a production rate of 1 million units per year at the Fremont factory, a figure that is not only symbolic, but also reinforces Tesla's leading position in the global robotics race. Musk's vision for Optimus Gen 3 goes far beyond a machine that simply assists in manufacturing. Instead, it is conceived as a general-purpose robot with an extraordinary ability to learn by observing human behavior. The most significant breakthrough lies in its multimodal interaction mechanism. Users can physically demonstrate a task, describe it using natural language, or simply show the robot a tutorial video, allowing it to translate visual information into precise sequences of physical actions on its own. As we have mentioned before, a robot that can learn autonomously and imitate humans represents a massive leap forward compared to traditional programming methods which require complex scenario-specific intervention from software engineers. From a design perspective, Musk emphasized extreme optimization to turn Optimus Gen 3 into a robot that blurs all distinctions, featuring a human-like appearance and body proportions so realistic that it could be mistaken for a person if not closely observed.
Like Optimus Gen 3 is an awesome robot that
It is awesome.
Yeah, it's an awesome robot that minimizes any differences. It's basically, it looks like a human. People could be easily confused that it's a human.
Elon Musk has candidly acknowledged that at this point, Tesla does not see any true competitors other than players from China. He pointed out 3 critical bottlenecks facing the robotics industry and emphasized that only Tesla brings together all the necessary pieces to fully overcome them. The biggest challenge that competitors have been unable to match Tesla on is the hands. Musk understands that for a robot to be truly general purpose, it must possess near-human levels of dexterity. The Tesla CEO has repeatedly stressed the importance of the hands, noting that they account for more than half of the team's overall effort. While competitors are still struggling with crude manipulations, Tesla has already succeeded in developing a hand with 22 degrees of freedom. The second challenge is real-world AI. This is where Tesla holds an overwhelming advantage thanks to the massive datasets generated by its autopilot and full self-driving systems. Elon Musk has admitted that Optimus would be nearly useless without Tesla's AI chip.
But, this is really existential for Tesla, because if Optimus is completely useless without an AI chip.
A robot cannot operate only in a laboratory. It must be able to understand and function within a chaotic, unstructured, and constantly changing environment. Learning by observation capability that Musk referred to is the key that allows Optimus to adapt on its own rather than relying on rigid, hard-coded programming. Finally, Musk emphasized scalability in manufacturing. A great robot is not enough if it costs millions of dollars and is produced only in limited quantities. Drawing on its experience from the Model 3 production hell, Tesla has built gigafactories with extremely high levels of automation. Bringing Optimus onto production lines capable of turning out millions of units per year will not only optimize costs, but also turn robots into a mass-market consumer product. The combination of precision mechanics, a deep learning AI brain, and large-scale manufacturing capability are the 3 areas where Tesla's competitors remain stuck. What do you expect from this robot? Would you consider owning an Optimus? Drop your comment below. Thanks for watching.